Hello and welcome back. In this section, we are going to mold our data. We are going to alter our data in a way that it will be getting ready for data analysis. What does that mean? So when you will normally get data from different sources, most commonly different software databases, data will be in the standard form. You will have to make some modifications to enable it to do the kind of data analysis that you want. And what does that mean? Let me show you by the example of the state column here. Now, when we talk about sales, I'm just using the example of sales. You can be talking about anything else. We need to analyze our data, our sales, on the basis of different days. We need to compare, we need to make an apple with apple comparison, and for that we need to compare weekends with weekends. We need to compare weekdays with weekdays. We need to compare same days of the week with the same days of the other week. For example, Wednesdays versus Wednesdays. We need to compare the same quarters of one year to the same quarters of the other year. And for that purpose, we need to extract the information of date, month, year, quarter of the year, name of the day, and different kind of other options available that can be extracted from the state here. And in this section, first of all, we are going to do that. So let us begin with this alteration of date. So let us begin with this date here. The first thing that I have to do is that I have to extract date from this complete date here. So I just need to get the day of the month actually. So what I will do is that I will write here equals day and then tab key to make sure that formula is selected, and then I will go to the cell and I will press Ctrl Enter, or just close the bracket and press Enter. I will press Ctrl Enter now, and here you have the day of the month. So you can see that this was the first date, 1st of January. So Excel has given me the 1 as answer. Now I will copy and paste this downwards to make sure that I have all the data. I have days selected from all the different dates here. So I will copy it now. I will go down, and to go down, what we have to do, we have to press the Control key and then the down arrow key. Here we are at the end. Now I will come here by pressing the right key here, and now I will press Control Shift Up key to select all the data here, and I will press Control V to paste, or simply paste it here. And you can see that we have dates extracted from this date here in all different columns. So if you can take any different sample here, so for example this one, 28th of May, we have 28 here, or let us say 21st of April, we have 21st here. Now we have to do the same thing for the month. So what we have to do is that we have to write the formula, that is equals month, and press the tab key, and now select the cell which have the complete date, and now press Ctrl Enter, and here we have the month of the year. So for January, it has given me as 1. Now I will do the same process. I will copy, Ctrl C, I will go down, and now I will select all of these cells by pressing Ctrl Shift Upward key, and I will press Ctrl V. So we have the months in each column here. So you can see for August we have 8, for July we have 7, for June we have 6. If I can go up, you can see for March we have 3, for April we have 4. So that was fast, right? And now one last thing that I have to do is that I have to extract year from the date, and for that I will do is that equals year, and now I will select the column which has dates, and I will press Ctrl Enter, and here I have the year, and I will copy and go down, and I will press complete. I will select complete cell, and I will press Ctrl V, and here we have year from the complete date. All right, so that was easy. So we have, what we have done as our first task, we have separated the date, month, and year from the date column. I hope that was helpful, and in the next lecture we are going to do some other interesting stuff, for example name of the day, etc.